Here are the 5 things you need to know before your Apple Vision Pro demo. Oh, and if you're a content creator, I had one thing that almost ruined my entire experience, so stay tuned to the end for that one. Number 1, anyone can book a demo. I thought I was special when my Apple business guy reached out and said, "Hey John, do you wanna do a thing?" I'm not special. You can go to the Apple website. It literally is super cool. You select there, it asks you which store, you select a time, you can do it same day. It's super cool. Number 2, if you are worried because you wear glasses like me, don't be. When you schedule an appointment, it runs through a couple questions about your prescription. As long as your prescription doesn't have a prism value, but long as you don't have that, you're good. They take your glasses in store and scan them in a machine like an optometrist's office, and then create these custom Zeiss inserts that go into the Apple Vision Pro. Now, note, if you do buy the Apple Vision Pro, you will need to buy these custom inserts afterwards. They're about 150 bucks USD. When I did the demo, it worked perfectly. I could see everything, no problem. Number 3, the setup takes only about 5 minutes. And I would say within a minute or 2, I was cruising around the operating system. You essentially use your finger like this as a single mouse tap. And it's super intuitive, way more intuitive than I expected. So don't worry, it's only about 5 minutes of pain to set up, and then you're good to go. Number 4. The demo itself was very straightforward. The Apple tech walks you through opening an image, watching a video, kind of just going through their operating system, learning how to use the basic features of the system. One of the coolest pieces is this turn dial that's on top, similar to what's on an Apple Watch, where you enable immersive mode, where it turns off the augmented reality, the AR in front, and really gets you kind of into the VR. If you use a VR headset, that would kind of feel very similar, but it really helped when I had multiple windows up and I was in the Apple store. I could tune out everything and really see what was going on. I really like that. After that, I played a quick video game and watched a clip of a TV show, but I think the coolest part was this immersive experience, which was a 3-minute long video that it's pretty much a 3D camera video that you'd see when I went to Las Vegas Sphere, and you're kind of seeing this whole thing around you. It was neat. There's a concert playing, you're at a basketball game, you're underwater with some sharks, there's elephants. It kind of felt National Geographic style, but it was the highlight. Like, they did a really good job. They boasted it's in 8K. It is beautiful quality. Number 5, I recommend some serious neck exercises. 2 to 3 weeks before you go to your demo. Joking, not joking. This is the biggest complaint that I've heard all over the internet is that the headset is heavy. Now, I didn't really notice it at first, but after a half an hour of wearing it, the back of my neck was pretty sore. So just something to take into consideration. I expect that will be the number 1 thing they work on when they release an update, or when they release a new version of it. Bonus, if you are a content creator, I do not recommend walking into the Apple store with a setup like I did and pulling out your camera and your tripod and lights and microphones with a nice full frame camera. They frown upon it. I swear red lights started going off. The manager came over and, "Oh, well, you can't record. I need to," anyway. It ended up being a bit of a mess that took about 20 minutes to clean up. They contacted their PR department to see if I could record. They wanted to get authorization first. So if you want to record your experience, they say, stick with, your iPhone, your mobile phone, just get some shots. I have had friends who have been like a secondary and just kind of taking some video of the person experiencing it. And it may be better than what I did. I'll put a shot here of how I have my setup. But yeah, try and keep it simple, or else you might run into some issues. A huge thanks to the Apple store at the Upper Canada Mall in Newmarket. They did allow me to record it long as I kept just myself in the frame. I left the Apple tech out and I kept it very simple. So that's it. I really hope you enjoy your demo. I literally had a kind of stupid grin on my face the whole time. I loved the experience. The product seems super cool, and I really can't wait to see kind of what they come up with in the next iteration. I think it's a pretty cool product. So leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think, if you enjoyed your demo, and if this helped at all. Have a good one. See you on the next one.